Okay, to all the mommies with little kids, you need to run, don't walk. Go to Amazon, get this. This is a life changer.
Stuffy nose and cough vapor bath soap.
So I've been using this since he was a baby. All right, it's
Oilogic Stuffy Nose and Cough is a miracle workers.
But if you have little ones that just kind of keep a cough or constantly get the throat, like my little boy, definitely give this stuff a try.
What I've been using on my 5-month-old for her cold.
This stuff from Oilogic is literally liquid gold.